In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metafields to your Shopify products. This process is a fantastic way to personalize your product listings and give your customers more details tailored to their needs. Let's dive in. First, we want to define what a metafield is within your Shopify admin. You'll want to navigate to the Settings section and select Metafield. From there, click on Product Metafields. This will guide you to where you can add new definitions. When adding a definition, you'll need to enter a name that reflects the type of information you'll be displaying. Something like Care Guide could be useful if you're selling garments that require special attention. Next, choose a namespace and key. These identifiers are automatically generated for simplicity, but they can be customized if you have a specific structure in mind. Remember to select the appropriate content type for your information, whether it's text, numbers, a date, etc. You can also add a description to clarify the purpose of this metafield. Once everything looks good, hit Save to store your new metafield definition. Now that we've defined our metafield, it's time to add values to it. Head over to your Products section and choose a product you want to enhance with this custom information. Scroll down this product's page until you reach the Metafields section. You'll see the metafield you just created. Click on it. Here, you can input the specific value or detail you wish to add for this product. After entering all the necessary information, be sure to click Save to apply these changes. The final step in this process is to display the metafield on your product page, bringing this additional information to your customers. If you're using an online store 2.0 theme, you can easily do this through the Shopify Theme Customizer. Navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and hit Customize. Within the customizer, select the product template that applies. You can then add a section or block in your preferred location that will house the metafield information. Simply add a dynamic source and pick the metafield you've created. For those working with older themes or looking for a more complex customization, a different approach is required. Go back to the Settings, Metafields, and under Products, locate the metafield definition. Copy the namespace and key, which you'll need for the theme editor. Access your relevant template file in the theme editor, and input the liquid code Shopify provides to display the value of your metafield. By following these steps, you can enrich your Shopify product listings with customized information, ensuring your customers have every detail they need right at their fingertips. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but also gives your store a distinctive touch.